Hello bachcho, the question is which one of the following characters is absent in all chordates? So, chordates are the animals which are characterized by certain features, and these features are the presence of a notochord. The notochord is a rod-like, flexible, mesodermally derived structure, and this is present on the dorsal side of body, and it's for the attachment of muscles. So for attachment of muscles, so that muscles can get a platform on which they can contract. So this structure is present in case of some animals, and these animals which are having this notochord at any stage of their life are called the chordates. Now apart from this, there are certain other features as well, that they have the pharyngeal slits or paired pharyngeal slits. It means, for example, this is mouth, this is anus, and this region is pharynx. Now this pharynx is perforated, means here there are some slits, and these slits are called the pharyngeal gill slits or pharyngeal slits. If these are having gills, then these are called pharyngeal gill slits, and these are for respiration and feeding. And apart from this, there is presence of a tail, and this tail is present beyond anus, means after anus. So this structure which is present after the anus, this is called post-anal tail. So it is also a feature of all chordates. Now one more feature is the nerve cord or the nervous system, and this nerve cord is present on the dorsal side of body, and it is hollow inside, it is filled with the fluid, and this is single. So presence of a single hollow and dorsal nerve cord is also a feature of all chordates. So all chordates have these features at any stage of their life. Now let's see that all chordates, when we say all chordates, it means no chordate should be left. Okay, so presence of diaphragm. So diaphragm is a muscular, it is a muscular structure which is also known as, actually it is a muscle, it is also known as the phrenic muscle, and this muscle is present between the thoracic and abdominal cavity, or we can say it separates thoracic cavity from abdominal cavity. So to separate these two cavities, there is a muscle which is known as the diaphragm, and this diaphragm, presence of this diaphragm is a characteristic feature of only and only the mammals. So only mammals are the chordates. So mammals are having this diaphragm, but all other chordates do not have this. So this is the right option because it is not present in all chordates. So we can say that it is absent, which of the following characters is absent in all chordates? So diaphragm, except mammals, it is absent in all chordates. So this one is our right option. So option A is right match. If we look other three options as well, then coelom. So coelom is a cavity, body cavity, and this body cavity is lined with mesoderm. So the body cavity lined with mesoderm is called the coelom, and it is a feature of all the chordates. So it is present in all chordates. So this is wrong. Now the pharyngeal gill cleft. So I told you that pharyngeal slits or pharyngeal clefts is a feature of all chordates. So this is also excluded. And dorsal nerve cord is also a feature of all chordates. So the only feature that is not present in all chordates is the presence of diaphragm. I hope this explanation is helpful. All the best.